Welcome to a special edition of Maker Activities and Crafts with Katey Howes. Today, inspired by Magnolia Mudd, we're going to make a confetti launcher. Hi there, I'm Katey Howes. I'm the author of the book Be a Maker, and also Magnolia Mudd and the Super Jumptastic Launcher Deluxe. And I've been making a series of videos with maker challenges that you can do at home while we're doing social distancing, while we're away from school during distance learning, so that you can make fun new things. And a lot of them have been inspired by Be a Maker. We've made towers and messes and lemonade stands and all kinds of fun things. But I just shared a read aloud of Magnolia Mudd the other day, and I wanted to show you how to make something really fun inspired by this book. In Magnolia Mudd, our main character Magnolia loves inventing things. When she gets asked to be part of her uncle's wedding, she doesn't want to be just a flower girl. She wants to invent an exciting new way to be part of the wedding. And in the very end, she and her new Aunt Emily invent a launcher to launch the bouquet at the wedding. And in addition to flowers, it also launches confetti, which is super fun. So I want to share with you a really simple way to make a confetti launcher at home. All you're going to need are a few items. First one, I think you probably recognize this high-tech item. I think we've all got some toilet paper tubes around the house. You could also use a paper towel tube or a mailing tube. You could just take a piece of heavy-duty cardboard or thick paper and roll it into a tube if you need to. The next item you need is tape. I like to use duct tape, but any tape will do. If you don't have tape, a rubber band works pretty well too. And the last item you need is a balloon. If you don't have a balloon around the house, you're going to need something else that's stretchy. In the past, we've tried things like using the foot of a pair of tights or nylons if they're stretchy enough, or a piece of stretchy cloth, or a piece of stretchy rubber, maybe from a swim cap, or from something in your garage or basement that used some sort of rubber sheeting. So if you've got something that's stretchy, that's a little elastic, you can use that in place of a balloon. To get it ready, all you need to do is take your balloon and tie a knot in it. Have a grown-up help you if you need it, but you don't need any air in the balloon. The knot is just going to give you something to hold on to. Then you're going to take a pair of scissors and carefully cut part of the balloon off. You're cutting off the round top of the balloon and leaving yourself with the part that has a knot in it. And then you're able to open that up, and it's kind of like a little hat. We take our tube and our balloon hat, and we put the balloon hat on the tube, like it's wearing a little swim cap or a little winter hat. Pull it down nice and tight and snug. You want to be able to hold it on there and kind of give a tug and see it bounce back. Then you're going to use your tape to hold it in place. If you don't have tape, a rubber band around it works just as well. Or you can actually just hold it in place. It just doesn't give you as much ease of use if you do that. And then what we can do is we can fill it up with any number of things. Confetti is, of course, the classic. And the confetti that I have here is a mixture of stuff I bought at a store and then just confetti we made by cutting up random sheets of colored paper that we had from like homework assignments and projects at school and things like that. You load it up in your launcher. You pull back and you give it a pop. I hope you can see that. It went everywhere. Super fun. But you can also make this to do many other things. What else could you launch with this? So use your imagination and think, what else could you launch? You could put breadcrumbs in here maybe and launch them for the birds or for ducks in the pond. You could try playing a game with one of your siblings or somebody else who lives at your house where you put goldfish crackers or Cheerios in here and launch them across the backyard and try and catch them in your mouth. Launch treats for your dog maybe. You could plant seeds, or you could put sprinkles in it and sprinkle them across the top of a cake. That would be quite the way to decorate a cake. So if you would like to do this at home, I'd love to see pictures of what you make or videos of what you launch. Feel free to tag any videos that your grown-ups help you post to Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag #BeAMaker, just like that first book I was showing you. And I check that hashtag all the time, and I love to see what kids are making and inventing, and I'll comment back on what you've created. You can also check out my website, kateyhowes.com, and if you go to the books page, each of the books that I've written is listed there, and there are additional activities that you can do. So if you loved making this launcher and you want to learn to make a stomp rocket launcher at home, there are instructions for that on my website. There's coloring pages, there's things you can print off, and links to many more fun things. So I hope you enjoyed making a confetti launcher with me today, and I hope you'll share that with your friends and family and inspire other people to make something fun. Take care, stay safe, stay well, make something new every day, and check back here for another video next week. You'll find read alouds of both Be a Maker and Magnolia Mudd and the Super Jumptastic Launcher Deluxe on my YouTube channel. Check out the rest of my social media for more fun activities and crafts.